Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can download Davinci Resolve in your device, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So you just need to be search this option. You can note it this string. Once you go over here, then you will get two options like Davinci Resolve 20 or Davinci Resolve. So I'll click the second one. Once I come over here, then here you can see we have two options like support your favorite OS, no monthly subscription, no ad, no user tracking. So you just need to go with this one, like minimum system requirement. You just need to be go over then fulfill all these necessary things. Once it's done, you are able to download your Davinci Resolve from that place. So let's do it. Let's try one of this. Like I am going to give this one right here. Then the email I'm going to provide it here. So I'll copy this one and I'll paste it here. Then let's give a number 880-1754-6175-6144. 01. Let's remove this one. Do it 17 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yeah, that's great. Let's select state or country chip you want to select. I would select this one. That city will be California. Similarly, the state will be California, and just click to the download, and it already been started the download. So you will get the link, and here you can see that our download has been started. So this way you can easily download the Davinci Resolve for your devices. So the process is very simple. I give you all the step-by-step breakdown here. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.